It's actually pretty cute. The graphics card is connected as well with two adapters, which is a bit dodgy, I know. Oh, we saved it! And we are not as crappy after all. No! So iracing still playable, the FPS, GT3, and it just wouldn't work. So normal game on low settings, we had close to average FPS, so not too bad. Success! Oh my goodness, it worked! I can't believe it, guys. The gamble we took, it paid off. 30 bucks for this graphics card. What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. I bet you didn't see that coming. So, wait a second, hang on. I got something here. Something very important which just arrived. It's a bit tight here, as you can see. So I've been waiting the whole day for this part to arrive. As you know, I like building PCs. It's been a long while since we've done that on the channel. If you are a longer member of this community, then you know that we did that in the past. But yeah, with all the prices in the moment, even on the used market, on especially graphics card, it's really hard to get a hand on anything really. This banger here, maybe you can guess what's inside, but with this banger here, I'm gonna try to build an ultra low budget gaming PC for sim racing. It's not that I need a gaming PC, but I just saw a couple of good prices on PC parts on the used market, and I just jumped on them, and here we are. So the goal is to build a gaming PC that can play F1 2021, iracing, and possibly Assetto Corsa Competizioni as well, but we'll see about that. And all that for 200 euros. Yes, you heard correctly, 200 euros. That's not a lot of budget, but we'll see if we can make it work even in these crazy times that we live in and with the GPU shortage and stuff. But let's just open this box now, shall we? I can't wait. There we go. This is almost, it's smaller than my gaming PC on the desk.
Which I'm sure you have seen before as well.
It's actually pretty cute. So yeah, lucky us that we don't have an ATX motherboard, otherwise it would have been tough. It's the Mass Gaming Gamer Universe. MCM gaming case. There we go.
I only paid 29 euros for this PC. I was shipping like 30 euros, so very cheap.
I don't think you can find anything cheaper, so my hopes are not super high. It's very light, so I think the metal will be pretty thin. But okay, we'll see what we can do. I can't wait with it. This is so small, oh my goodness. This is actually really cute. Okay, the front, I like it. The front looks nice. I mean, it's plastic, but it has like a, I don't know. It looks like it's metal, steel, brushed up steel. And here we have the panel. It's a really glass, it's just acrylic plastic. With the graphics card, jeez, will that even fit in there? That would be a bummer if it doesn't. Okay, there we go. I wanted to celebrate that we have a table, a desk here once again where I can build stuff with, where I'm also going to be doing product reviews like on sim gear, like pedals, wheels, seats, whatnot. So that's what I want to do. With this table I will be able to do many more cool videos and also like some random PC builds if I can get my hands on some good deals. So what parts do we have? Well, the graphics card will be the most important, and this is also going to be the star of the show. But it was a gamble that we took on. So I think we got it from Stefan here in Aachen, very nice guy. So he had listed it for, I don't know, 60 euros, but he said it's untested. So if you see something like that, then there are two cases. Either it really is untested, or it's just a straight up lie and they're trying to like get rid of their shit and get some money for it. So, but yeah, I talked to him, he seemed like a very nice, really cool guy, and I said to him, okay, look, I'm gonna take it for 30 bucks. If it works, I'm gonna send you another 30 euros via PayPal, And yeah, sure enough, he agreed to that. And then, of course, I picked it up. It was a really nice, beautiful autumn day. And to my surprise, it even worked.
I mean, it looked really good. It had like no corrosion, not even much dust, so...
If you try to go for some gambles, then at least make sure the card looks good. But yeah, it worked, so nice. I paid him the other 30 euros, of course. So 6 euros for the GTX 760 2GB edition from MSI. Then, conveniently, I had this Max power supply. I think it has like 400 watts or 450 watts. I had this just lying around, so very convenient. Then the other star of the show is this mainboard CPU RAM combo. I already put this 10 euro Solomon cooler on top because it looks pretty cool. It has RGB, so very excited to see how this will look. But
we have an Gigabyte H110M motherboard for 6th gen, so we have i5 6500, 4 cores, 4 threads.
And we have 8 GB of RAM, crucial.
It goes up to 2666 megahertz, so yeah, that's nice memory.
I'm waffling too much already. So that's are the parts. We also have a hard drive, 1 TB Seagate, which is looking like brand new. I scored that on the used for 20 bucks from another very nice guy. He also had a bunker, and he had like tons of PC parts where I got this super cool Solomon cooler and also the hard drive like 40 bucks. So yeah, that's it. So 200 euros for everything, and I can't wait to build this PC now. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on, shall we? Push. And here we go. It's in. Man, there was a struggle and a half. Jesus Christ. Yes! Yes! Success! Yo guys, here we are now with the final result with this mini gaming PC here. Earlier we asked the question, can you game or can you even start your sim racing career on a 200 euro gaming PC? And well, the answer is yes and no. It depends on the game really. So we benchmarked 4 different games, well, 3 sim racing games, and one of them was Rocket League. I just enjoy the game so much. Let me know in the comments if you do so too. But okay, let's start easy with Rocket League. Cool! Did you see that? Formula 1 pack. Formula 1 Team 7 would be nice. I need to get that. Okay, that is our car, really? We had like over 120 FPS there on maximum settings, and we also had a lot of fun playing there. I even scored a couple goals, and I think I will blend them in somewhere to just show my skill, but I'm actually really crap at this game. So Rocket League, easy playable with the GTX 760, which is by now I think 6-7 years old. Then we come to iRacing, the next like more difficult game to run, I think. And there you could see in the setup it was like auto detecting the graphics card, and then it was just capping the game at 60 FPS. And when I checked, it said the game actually on high settings. So even then we had 60 FPS, although I had a few stutters here and there, so I'm not sure what that was all about. And if the CPU was limiting there, somehow I couldn't get MSI Afterburner running there. But so iRacing still playable, 60 FPS, GT3. If you would prefer like F3 cars, Formula 1 cars, well, I'm not sure if that's enough frames, but yeah, 1080p 60 FPS is the maximum this monitor can do. Then the next game, F1 2020, F1 2021, pardon me, we had like, on the benchmark we had like 33 FPS on average, which was okay, but not sure if we can consider that playable on an F1 game, which is very fast paced. But in a normal game, not in a benchmark, normal game on low settings, we had close to 50 average FPS, so not too bad, and I would consider F1 2021 playable with the GTX 760. The next game on the list, Assetto Corsa Competizioni. Well, we tried everything to get it running, but yeah, it was stuttering like crazy. First I jumped in a race with 29 NPCs, with 29 AI cars, and it just wouldn't work. So I had like maybe 20 FPS or something with stutters, so it didn't work at all, and it looked ugly as shit. Then I went into the race with just 10 cars, but still, I think we only got like 30, or close to 30, a little bit more, 40 FPS on average, but still with stutters and the game looked really bad. If you're playing it on cockpit camera, then maybe you wouldn't notice so much, but I found that Assetto Corsa Competizioni is very intensive on the CPU, and this time it wasn't actually the graphics card, the GTX 760, holding us back, but the CPU, the i5-6400, which only goes up to 2.7 GHz on all 4 cores. So yeah, there's that. Assetto Corsa, very hungry game in terms of hardware, so I would not consider it playable. But overall, from 4 games, if we include Rocket League, then 3 of them would be playable, like iRacing and F1 2021, definitely playable with a setup like this. And if you just want to get into gaming and maybe wait before the graphics card prices come down a little bit, then this would be a good option for you. So I put the ad already on eBay private ads. Hopefully somebody is gonna snatch the PC up soon and I get a little bit of interest back, if you know what I mean. It took me 2 days to get this all done. But yeah, I'm really happy. Let me know in the comment section down below how you like the setting, if you would like to see some product reviews. Also just tell me which product you might be interested in, a wheel or certain pedals, then I will definitely try to get a hold of those and make a review for you to help you out. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do. Destroy the like button and subscribe to the channel to see plenty more sim racing content and also some fun creative ideas like building gaming PCs and also product reviews in the future. That's it for now. I will catch you for another video very soon. Peace out for now. Bye. I'll be ready.